Day one.
New Orleans. It's okay, Clyde. You got a baby underneath here. It's okay.
Using my $98 robe to cover the alarm system. I didn't pay for it, for the record.
May I have your attention, please? The building alarm system has
Since we left home about bad
May I have your attention,
Oh,
please?
shut
May I
up.
have your attention, please?
Hold on.
We're conducting a test of the alarm system. We're conducting a test of the alarm system. This is just a test.
4 weeks after the passing of Gary
proceed
Cole.
to the stairways and exit
All right,
the
I
building.
think we
Do
get
not
it.
use the elevators.
I hope it's not gonna
Oh, for the love.
It's okay, Muffin. It's okay, Muffin. New Orleans.
10 a.m.
May I have your attention, please? The building alarm system has been activated.
You're doing so good, baby. I'm so proud.
You okay?
Yeah, he's doing good.
Do not use the elevators.
It's okay, Muffin. I know. He's a good baby. It's okay. Yes, I know, sweet boy.
I think they should give me an extra $30 credit.
You should give Clyde a $30 credit. He's fine. He's under the
No, I
blanket.
know, but it's just
not
fucking
that.
annoying.
No, I know. I mean, we can't take him outside because it's humidity. You know. Just before anyone thinks we're having animal abuse.
Yeah, as we comfort our cat while the hotel is an asshole.
Yeah. At least it's not loud.
No, it's not bad.
He's sleeping. I hear him purring.
Clyde.
This better not be what he wants to go to sleep to every night.
May I have your attention, please? The building alarm system has been activated.
All right.
How long are they gonna do this, do you think?
Exit the building. Do not use the elevators.
I have no idea.
Let me see.
It's like every fucking dog and cat here is like freaking out right now. You know what I mean? It's like, what are you supposed to do? Take them outside into the,
No, we can't take them into the humidity. They'll die. It's 10 a.m. to 10:45. Jesus.
No, I think it's between.
Oh.
Building alarm system has
I don't think it's gonna be for 45 minutes.
proceed to the stairways and exit the building. Do not use the elevators.
Hey, love. Oh, he's a purse. So heavy. He's a poor baby. Okay. It's okay. I will update again.
Huh?
I'm gonna update this again, but if it is for 45 minutes, this will be the like
May I have
most stretching, weird yoga crap that you've ever done.
Getting sore.
stairways and exit the building. Do not use the elevators.
Stupid.